So Christian, tell us where we're headed today.
So we're heading to Grantsville on this one. We're out on the east side of Grantsville. Great location.
Awesome. So Christian, tell us about this beautiful home in Grantsville.
So it is a beautiful home. And before I tell you about the home, let's talk about the location. If you're in Grantsville, one of the biggest things is how easy is the commute. And you are right off Highway 112. And you have Mid-Valley Highway that they just built that comes basically right to your front door. You're just about a block away.
That's fantastic. That's important for people to have a good commute.
Absolutely. And this is a one-owner home. These guys actually built this home back in 2015. They did lots of upgrades, and they've since completely remodeled it in the last 2 years. They did all tile on the main floor. They've done new carpet. They just repainted the entire house. I mean, you're basically walking into a brand new space.
That's fantastic. I love the colors and everything they've done. It's just warm and inviting and flows really well.
And when you step upstairs, you have these huge bedrooms. In fact, the first bedroom that we're looking at, it was on the original plans 2 separate bedrooms, but they said, let's combine that into one great big bedroom for our son.
Which is great when you have older kids and they need a little more space.
Absolutely. And then of course the master is also great big. It's beautiful, it's well done, well laid out.
Yeah, I love the size of the master bedroom, having all that space.
It's beautiful. And the nice part about this is the interior is set up so well, but also when you step outside, there's a huge 20 by 20 deck. There is a great big shed, and it's just a gorgeous home inside and out.
Yeah, I love it. And having the great big deck outside, great for entertaining in the summer, and then also RV parking.
Absolutely, RV parking, and they just finished the basement this last summer. They said they've probably only been down there twice, so you're basically getting brand new square footage in the basement, but they did a really great job on finishing that basement.
It's great to have the flex rooms in the basement, especially if you have kiddos that you need an area for them.
Absolutely, and then of course outside, like we talked about, you have, it's set up to be able to entertain. It's set up to be able to have your family there. It's set up so that if you have toys, you can park them behind the fence, and you have plenty of room in that shed for tinkering or just storing your stuff.
Yeah, it's a great home. It's going to make a family extremely happy getting to live there.